The Zoological Department. The Zoological Galleries of Government Museum, Chennai, extend over 11 halls adjoining the Sculpture Galleries of Archaeological Section. In the ground floor galleries, exhibits pertaining to skeletons, dentitions, integumentary structures, reptiles, birds, mammals, and some foreign animals are on display, while in the first floor galleries, invertebrates and fishes are on display. Some of the spectacular and outstanding exhibits in the zoological galleries are the largest and most reputed among the exhibits in the galleries. The other notable skeletal exhibits in the museum are the huge skeleton of Indian elephant and its skull with tusks, the skeleton of tiger, panther, kangaroo, dugong, and the skeletons of man and horse. During the year 1980, old sloping cases were replaced by modernized showcases in the General Zoology Gallery. Although the collection is limited to South Indian fauna, this museum has acquired a few birds and mammals from some foreign countries. Among the exhibits in these galleries, the orangutan, the tapir, kangaroo, the duck-billed platypus, the ostrich, the cassowary, and the macaw parrots are the most outstanding ones. Apart from the exhibits of foreign animals, the museum collection also consists of specimens of indigenous animals, which will give complete picture of South Indian fauna. In the bird gallery, adjacent to the reptile gallery, during the year 1960, the old showcases were replaced by modernized showcases with concealed lighting. In this gallery, complete series of South Indian birds are arranged systematically in the natural sequence. The most unique and valuable of birds' collections are a pair of pink-headed ducks. Besides the exhibited specimens, the zoological section has a large reserve collection consisting over 1,000 specimens stored in jars and several hundreds of dry-preserved specimens preserved in boxes and cabinets. The grey pelican. The spotted-billed or grey pelican is the most common Indian species of pelican. It is a large, heavily built water bird found throughout India, Sri Lanka and Burma in all the better watered areas and occurs as a permanent resident bird or a local migrant in many parts of South India. They feed almost exclusively on fish, which they catch by swimming collectively in a semicircle, driving the fish into shallow water and scooping them up in their large pouch, which serves as a net. They breed in large colonies from November to April, nesting on tall trees. They size from 125 cm to 152 cm and weigh between 4.1 kg to 6 kg. The spoonbill grows between 71 cm to 86 cm and weigh 1.2 kg to 1.8 kg. Their wingspan is 120 cm to 130 cm. It is found throughout India, Burma and Sri Lanka and usually occurs in small parties or flocks on the banks of streams, ponds and lakes. Its peculiarly shaped bill is well adapted for crushing and opening the thick shells of the large apple snail and extracting their soft parts. It breeds in large colonies, mostly from November to March in South India. The black-necked stork. It is distinguished from other Indian species of storks by its enormous black bill, glistening black head and neck, and white lower plumage. The wings are pied with black and white markings. It is found singly along the banks of river and on marshes wading in shallow water. It feeds on fishes, frogs, reptiles, crabs, mollusks, etc. It builds its nest, which consists of an enormous platform of sticks on large trees. They grow 129 cm to 150 cm tall, with a wingspan of 230 cm and weigh about 4.1 kg. The night heron. It more or less resembles the paddy bird or pond heron in size and appearance, but has a shorter bill. They grow from 58 cm to 66 cm and weigh between 700 grams to 1 kilogram. They also have a wingspan of 115 cm to 118 cm. They are found throughout India, Burma, and Sri Lanka, both inland and along the seacoast. They feed mostly at night and during the evening and morning twilight. Their food consists of fishes, frogs, aquatic insects, dragonflies, etc. The breeding season ranges from April to September. Their nest is composed of twigs placed in trees gregariously, and their nesting colonies may extend to several adjacent trees. The kora or watercock. It is a rather long-legged and long-toed bird. It is readily distinguished by the presence of a large, fleshy, horn-like appendage on the top of its head. It feeds on rice, grain shoots of aquatic plants, seeds, freshwater mollusks, and insects. It grows to the size of 43 cm and weigh around 450 grams to 650 grams. The great horned owl. It is found practically throughout India, but not in Sri Lanka. It grows to the size of 43 cm to 64 cm and possesses a wingspan of 90 cm to 150 cm. It weighs around 450 grams to 650 grams. It is said to be very common in north and central India and is distinguished from the fish owl by its legs being fully feathered. It is mainly nocturnal and frequents to well-wooded, open and cultivated country. It feeds on small mammals, birds, reptiles, frogs and large insects, and occasionally also on fishes and crabs. The breeding season lasts from November to April.